Everything we do is controlled by our brains. Composed from 73% water, the brain is in control of how we approach situations, we deal with challenges, how we construct sentences, to the people we talk to, and all our emotions, including happiness, sadness, anger, and motivation. Scientists already know that the brain is a living, breathing entity that can grow and shrink in more ways than one. Through our experiences, through the knowledge we learn about, and through our day-to-day interactions and activities, our brains grow and prosper. It's safe to say that sitting in front of a television all day, eating junk food, is not ideal for the growth of our brains. Which leads me to our diet. The foods that we eat and the drinks we consume are the only sources of fuel that our bodies receive. Imagine your brain was a car. As long as you service it, replace faulty parts, and look after it, the brain will last. However, if you don't fill it with the right fuel, it's not going to go anywhere. We already know the importance of diet and eating the right foods from the right food groups. But have you ever thought how the times that we eat affect our digestive system, and therefore the way we fuel our brains? One approach to this is known as intermittent fasting. Whoa. I know what you're thinking. Slow down. What is intermittent fasting? If you haven't heard of it already, this is a process which is currently the most popular fitness trend currently in the world. It's a form of diet where you cycle through the hours of the day where you eat for some of them, and fast, or don't eat, for the others. In fact, most of us already fast intermittently when we sleep, and taking on this process consciously usually starts by extending this period of time where we don't eat. For example, you would not eat breakfast and would wait till noon to eat something. You would then eat a meal around this time, and then eat all your meals throughout an 8-hour period, with your last meal around 8 p.m. The most popular form of intermittent fasting is this 16-8 rule. But how does this improve your brain power? The researchers at the National Institute of Aging in Baltimore studied this to find out. They found that the body consists of two bodily states. One was building, while the other was cleansing. When we eat, our bodies begin the building phase. This is where the nutrients and toxins are stored in your body and then taken to grow new cells, tissues, and, of course, brain matter. When you finish, and you haven't eaten for 6 hours, the body enters the cleansing stage. This is where old cells are removed or destroyed from the body, waste product is produced, and space is made for new cells, at an estimated rate of around 300 million cells a minute. This means if you're eating throughout the day, your body hasn't gotten enough time to rid your brain of old and faulty cells, nor has time to replace them. If we consider the car scenario, this is like a daily service for your vehicle. Through intermittent fasting, you can fine-tune your brain, and just like a car, it's running with all new cells. You can proactively enhance your memory functions, your mental processing abilities, and your response times and your overall brain function. To learn some other ways in which you can improve your memory, head over to www.memoryinsider.com and get my 100% free ebook. And remember, subscribe to my channel for all the latest videos on memory, psychology, productivity, and much more.